Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Skip Campbell and I want to thank you for taking the time to check out this video. If you're here, it's because you probably saw the what if video and it asked some really important questions. I want to let you guys know that I asked those same questions. In fact, not long ago I was sitting right where you are sitting. I spent 4 years in the United States military, I started my family, and then I practiced chiropractic for 20 years. And I enjoyed every minute of practicing chiropractic, but I started asking myself some important and serious what if questions like, what if there was a better way? I owned a business, I was a business owner, but I was owned by my business. And if you're a business owner, you know what I'm talking about. If I wasn't working, I wasn't making any money. So I was working all day long, missing the important years, hoping and praying for someday in the future when I can start enjoying the fruits of my labor. Living for the weekend. What if there's another way? What if there's a better way? I couldn't act, I couldn't sing. How could I create some residual income? There's a better way. I'm here to tell you. There's a company called LifeVantage that has a product called Protandim that answers all these what if questions. And I want to spend just a couple of minutes and go over those with you. One of the things that was important to me as a chiropractor was the product. In fact, the product was the first thing that drew me to this company. LifeVantage has a product called Protandim. And Protandim is a true scientific medical breakthrough. I don't use those words lightly. I know a lot of people do, but I'm going to prove it to you. You see, Protandim is not a vitamin. It's not a mineral. It's not an omega-3 fatty acid. It's not a super drink. It's not a weight loss shake. Protandim is an NRF2 activator. We're the only nutritional supplement in the world that activates that NRF2 pathway. As a result of activating that NRF2 pathway, Protandim now has 22 peer-reviewed pieces of literature on PubMed.gov, where the government stores all its peer-reviewed research. 22. Research not done by our company for our own brochures, but research done by Harvard, in Virginia Commonwealth, in Louisiana State, in the American Heart Association. In fact, there was a study published very recently by your own government, the National Institute of Aging. What that study found was remarkable. That study found that Protandim actually can increase lifespan. I'm going to let that sink in for just a second. It can actually increase your lifespan. Protandim is the only supplement, according to the National Institute of Aging, that has ever been proven to increase your lifespan. Why do you even take supplements? If you understand lifespan is a conglomeration of how long we live and the health that we enjoy during that time, why do you even take supplements? The statement that the National Institute of Aging says Protandim will increase your lifespan makes it arguably, or maybe inarguably, the most important supplement a human can take. It is a real medical breakthrough. So the question, will there ever be, or what if there was a company that had science? We have set the bar in this industry with our medical science, our research behind our product. What if there was a company that had a comp plan? What if there was a company that paid people fairly? What if there was a company that didn't have a few guys at the top making all the money off of the efforts of all the others? What if there was a fair comp plan? Well, LifeVantage is a publicly traded company, and I'm really glad that we are. One of the things that makes me glad is that the SEC forces us to disclose what our distributors make. So we put some emphasis on that. And if you take a look at our earnings statement, you can look at what our distributors make right now. From ranks 1 to Pro 10 master distributor, if you take a look right in the middle, 4s, 5s, and 6s, take a look at what those guys make on average right now. And we set this up on purpose. We believe that if we had a strong middle class, we could create a strong community. Just like if the United States of America has a strong middle class, the economy is stronger. We believe our company is stronger with a strong middle class. So take a look at what our Pro 4s, 5s, and 6s make. If you look at the earnings statement right here, the Pro 5 in this company makes $2,000 a month on average, every month residually. Now, go do the math on that. Figure out how much money you got to put away to have $2,000 a month coming in every month, no matter what you do. You guys, that kind of residual income can change lives, and that's exactly what this comp plan is doing. In my opinion, it's the best comp plan in the industry. So what if you had a company that had a breakthrough scientific product with real research? What if you had a company that had a good comp plan that was fair and rewarded everybody? What if you combine those with a system that would allow anybody to have success? You guys, I was a chiropractor, and I was a good one, but I was not a network marketer. I had never done it before. I used the system that we have, and now we're master distributors in this company. And just a few short years ago, I sat where you're sitting right now. I cannot emphasize that enough. I didn't have a running head start. I was coachable, and I had a system combined with all the other things that this great company has. You can do this business, and with our system, we're allowing you to capitalize on technology. We've kind of cracked the code, and we're able to allow you to maximize this opportunity using technology. And so I'm really, really excited about our system and the potential it can give you. You don't even really have to have a voice box in this company now to go out and build a business with the system that we're putting in place. So for me, the most exciting thing that we could throw on top of all of this is timing. The opportunity to be first and not last. If you've got a great product and a great company and great systems and a great comp plan, but the company's 80 years old, it's not quite as exciting as if the company is brand new. And you can call some friends right now and find out, have you ever heard of LifeVantage? Have you heard of LifeVantage, by the way? Watching this video right now, have you heard of LifeVantage? No, you haven't. That's because we're brand new, man. Nobody knows about us yet. So the opportunity to participate with us on a ground floor, it's once in a lifetime. And let me ask you, how many times you've had an opportunity to do this in your life? How many times have you, watching this video, had an opportunity to participate with the next great company when it was just starting out? For me, it was none. You guys see, I was sitting around just waiting for my chance, waiting for my turn. I don't know if you feel that way, but this is what I felt. I was practicing chiropractic and I was making good money, but I was wondering, when is my breakthrough? When is my turn? Well, if you're anything like I was right now, you're thinking this might be your turn. If this is feeling right for you, the next step is for you to check out a full opportunity presentation. And fortunately, because of technology, you can do that right now from the comfort of your own home. You don't have to waste or miss any more time. You can get that done here in just a couple of seconds, and I hope you do. It's been great talking to you guys. Hope to see you in the future. Bye-bye for now.